viewer, we are going to get an experience for using the pattern stamp different pictures there. I will have the multi corner images, fill up the different colors into it. Then I will take a pattern stamp layer. There we are using the new shape. So here it is.